If you want to keep driving for Uber Eats without risking deactivation, you need to understand what can get you deactivated and how to avoid it. A lot of drivers lose access for reasons that are completely preventable, like really preventable. So, first, always follow the community guidelines. This means being respectful to customers, merchants, and support. Any reports of rude behavior, threats, or harassment can lead to immediate action. So, really, you got to stay out of those things. Second, don't tamper with the food. This might seem obvious, but like even small mistakes, not using a sealed bag or leaving food unattended can raise red flags. Customers expect their order to be untouched and delivered with care. Third, don't fraud the system. This includes things like faking deliveries, taking too long on purpose, or using bots to accept orders. Uber uses automated systems to catch suspicious behavior, and once they flag your account, it's tough to appeal back. Also, keep your documents updated. An expired license, insurance, or background check can instantly pause your account. Avoid canceling or unassigning too many orders. A high cancellation rate signals unreliability. If you're getting bad offers, it's okay to ignore them, but once accepted, follow through. Lastly, always mark deliveries accurately. If you said delivered but haven't dropped it off or leave it somewhere unsafe, customers can report it, and enough reports will cost you your account. Play it safe, stay professional, and treat it like a business. Uber Eats gives you flexibility, but it comes with accountability. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more driver tips to protect your earnings and account.